everyone, and welcome back to another video from ICP.USA. Today's video, we're covering the I-7500 series Quick Start Guide. Today we're going to be using an I-7561 as reference. The I-7561 is a cost-effective module for transferring serial data via USB. You can connect your serial devices to systems that use a USB interface. Please refer to the following diagram for the system network configuration. Here on the screen, you can see the block diagram for the I-7561. Please refer to the following information for the I-7561 output types. Before we jump into the installation portion, as a quick reminder, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this, and please visit us on our website to see all the products we offer. For driver installation, first go to our website, navigate to the product page. From here, find the resource section labeled drivers. This will prompt a zipped file to download. Once that's complete, open the file up and locate the device manager. Before you begin, please make sure the internet is turned off. Please ensure that the USB driver is installed and your modules plugged in. Once in the device manager, you want to locate the COM port section. Right-click, then select Update Driver Software. You'll get a pop-up. Select the Browse My Computer for Drivers option, and on the next screen, you'll select the Let Me Pick from a list of device drivers on my computer. Then select the I-756X model from the options. You'll get a screen notifying you that the window has successfully updated your driver software. You can then select Close, and in the Device Manager menu, you can now locate the I-756X COM port. Once this installation is complete, please make sure to turn your internet back on. To verify whether the device was properly installed and determine the COM port assignment for the device, you need to click Start, Control Panel, Device Manager, and double-click on the ports COM and LPT. If the device was correctly installed, you should now see the I-7561 USB to RS COM10 device listing. Once you've verified the driver installation, you have successfully completed the setup for this device. If you have any more questions about the device setup or are interested in learning more about products we have to offer, please reach out to us via phone, email, or directly through our website. Our team would love to hear from you. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video if you have any questions. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.